This one here, you're trying to fix a defective radio sort of thing. So you got a radio device, the frequency is incorrect, and you have a list of frequency changes. So +6 means increase it by 6, -3 means decrease it by 3. So if you have this pattern, +1, -2, +3, +1, then you start at 0, you go +1 to go up to 1, -2 takes you to -1, +3 takes you to 2, +1 takes you up to 3. So here's some other example situations. So this looks very easy to code. Let's go here into Python environment and just make a simple example. So it'll be frequency changes. I guess I'll call them FCH equals, I'll get the first list here, which is that. That's my first example. All right. And so now it's frequency equals 0. It always starts at 0. And for F in FCH, FREQ plus equals F. And then just print the answer. So this one's very simple so far. All right, that should do it. And I do get a 3, and as they say, you'll end up with a 3. So here's other examples. Let's try this one and make sure I get -6. I always like to have a few test cases. So it's going to be FCH equals that. So that should give me -6, and it does. Okay, so there you go. And there's some more data here. And so there's a flag, and then there's, of course, a second stage where you have to do something a little tougher, where you're going to find the first frequency it reaches twice. So you're going to have to keep a list of all the frequency it goes to and notice whether it gets duplicated. So anyway, looks pretty simple to get you going. Like all these, they're good practices in loops and choosing variable types and converting variable types from one to another and so on. Good practice. So that's it for that one.